Hello and welcome to K.I.P. My name is Kirsty, aka K.I.P. I'm going to show you how to make a basic HTML page inside 10 minutes. So, welcome to K.I.P.'s Innovation Projects, K.I.P. So, what we need is Notepad. And this is a new Notepad page. So, bear with me, we are going to speed through this. So, we use tags in HTML. These, that's an open tag, that's a closed tag. Don't get them confused with brackets. They are not brackets. They are the little arrows down on your keyboard by M and the question mark. So to start every HTML page, you have to tell it what it is. So exclamation mark, capital letters, doc type. That's your document type. That's so your web page can read that this is a HTML page, this is a web page. That's the only one we do not close. So next one, HTML, close it. This one we do close. There's beginnings of your web page. In between that, I'm going to have a head. Going to close that. I'm going to have a body. Yep, it is like going back to school with your header and footer, your body, yeah, your main content. Exactly like that, but we don't have a footer at the moment. Right? Now what I do to make everything neat and tidy is I'll have them two up top, I'll have my header there, and then I'll just put a few breaks in for my body. Right? So open and close. We're going to file, we're going to save as, we're going to stick it on my desktop in the K.I.P folder, and we're going to name it index.html. Every web page, most web pages, I'll rephrase that, links back to their index page. So this is why we call it index. It's our first page, so we're calling it index.html tells us that it's a HTML page. So we're going to go ahead and save that. Now if I move that over quickly, open it up, you'll see here it is, telling us that it's a Chrome extension HTML document. If I open that up very quickly, it tells us it's an index.html and it's blank. There's nothing in it. It's absolutely blank. File tells me where I've stored it. That's it. So we'll just drop that down for now and that. So we're going to make some modifications. In the header, I'm going to want to put a title. I'm going to want to name my page. Index page is a bit bland. It's a bit boring. So there you go. K.I.P. Just put it plain and simply what it is. Open and close them tags. There you go. Now some people will put an indent on it just to make it look all nice and tidy. So that belongs inside the header. Head. There we go. So into the body we go. And set that up. Drop that down. And inside the body, I'm going to want to put a nice big welcome page. So it's header 1. This comes in 6 sizes. Obviously, to go down in size, header 1 is the big one, header 6 is small. So we're going to say welcome to K.I.P. I'm going to quickly tell you what K.I.P is. It's K.I.P's Innovation Projects. Right, and at the end of that, I'm going to close that don't forget your close tag, backslash, tag, backslash, then what you've just done, right? Then, because we're going to style this later with CSS, we're going to put a paragraph in. And it's simply going to say, congrats, you made it to the first web page. I'm going to close that off. And I'm going to put H2. Thank you. Just thank you for sticking through the video. So it's close that off. And under there, I'm going to stick another paragraph. And I'm going to say thank you for sticking through this video. And I'm going to close that paragraph off. So like I did before, I'm just going to indent it. So like now you can see, you don't have to, but you can do. Now you can see it's nicely indented. You can see where things lie. So I'm going to go File, we're going to save that. And now we're going to open it up again. And as you can see, that was when we first did our save and have a look. As you can see, index page, blank. Just shows you where it's stored. Now, it's now K.I.P. Still tells me where it's stored because we've not uploaded it to a server yet. In heading, welcome to K.I.P, Keo's Innovation Projects. Congrats, you made it to the first page. And thank you. Thank you for sticking through this video. It's not a great page. It's not fantastic. But it's your basic page. So there it is. Very, very quickly. Very, very sharply. Document type. Tell it it's a HTML page. Again, next line. Tell it it's a HTML page. Header. We put our title. We closed our header. We opened up the body tag. Inside our body, we had a heading 1, welcome. We had a paragraph under there to tell us, thank you for, you've made it, well done. We've closed that off. We had a smaller one, thank you. And now I said thank you for sticking through this video. I'm going to add a full stop on the end there. I then closed the body part off, and I closed the web page. I closed the HTML page here. So it's all good. And Google now knows that was the end of the page. Don't need to look no lower. Don't need to make massive spaces of white page. It closes there. So that's it. Thank you for sticking through our first video.